What's behind the statistics, the analytics, and the visualizations that today's brightest data scientists and business leaders rely on to make powerful decisions? You may not always see it, but it's there. It's called R, open source R, the statistical programming language that data experts the world over use for everything from mapping broad social and marketing trends online to developing the financial and climate models that help drive our economies and communities. But what exactly is R? And where did R start? Well, originally, R started here, with two professors who wanted a better statistical platform for their students. So they created one, modeled after the statistical language S. They, along with many others, kept working on and using R, creating new tools for R, and finding new applications for R every day. Thanks to this worldwide community effort, R kept growing, with thousands of user-created libraries built to enhance R functionality and crowdsourced quality validation and support from the most recognized industry leaders in every field that uses R. Which is great, because R is the best at what it does, letting experts quickly and easily interpret, interact with, and visualize data. Join the rapidly growing community of R users worldwide and see how open source R continues to shape the future of statistical analysis and data science.